What's up guys, it's Sumatik here. You must have heard about an awesome study app called Flip Focus Timer for Study. It will help you study better and it's very awesome app. It will increase your productivity and efficiency in study. But since this app has got so many functionalities, many people are finding it difficult to run this app or they don't know how to use this app. So in this video I'm going to show you like a detailed guide on how to use this app properly and increase your efficiency and effectiveness in terms of study. Okay guys, I'm on a phone screen right now. You can see firstly you have to download this Flip app from the Play Store. Now after you have downloaded and installed it, let's launch the app for the first time. Now you just have to press on start. You don't need to read the instructions because I'll be guiding you through the whole process. Now agree on these two terms and then press on start here. Now you can just skip this tutorial. Now it gives you option to register the profile. You have to register the profile because there are so many benefits of registering the profile. I already have got account on this app, so I'll just press on login. You just have to register first and then you can log in. This app will give you code on the email and you have to put that code on this app and it will let you log in. Finally you can see I have logged into the app. Press on back button. Now it gives you the main screen here. This is the main screen. It has got 5 tabs. You can see I'm currently on the home tab. On the home tab it allows you to add the goals of your study and then also lets you do many other things. I'll tell you later. Now firstly I'm going to teach you how to add the goals. Just press on this plus button here and then press on the goal option. Now select the goal title here, study session you can write, and then select the goal color and then you have to select the goal time. Now select all days and infinite period so that you can study all days. Okay, now press on next and press on complete. Now the goal has been added. You can see we have added a goal of 4 hours study. Now to start working on this goal or start studying, you just have to tap on this goal and then you just need to press on this play button here. Now in some phones I have seen that if you minimize this app and then begin studying, it might stop your time tracker. So it's better you don't minimize this app from this screen. You can just lock your phone right on this screen, and when you are done with your study or you want to give a pause to your study, you can unlock your phone and then press on the pause button. It will be paused after that and then you can either dash out or finish your study. I'll just press on finish here. Okay. Now the home tab has got several other features, like you can see which of your friends are studying right now. You can see the important details. You can see the ranking. Now let's go to another tab that's called timeline. The timeline feature you can use only if you are premium user. So I'm gonna show you later how to get points on this app and then you can get premium on this app. So don't worry about this. Let's go to the more tab here. And when we are on the more tab, it has got so many functions, so I'll be explaining only the very important functions right here. So the first function is here D-Day. On the D-Day option you can set days which are very important to you. After you set those days that are important to you, it will be displayed over the app all the time, so it will be very useful to you. Now let's go to the global ranking option here. So what the global ranking option does is that it allows you to see your position among all the users from the world based on the amount of hours that you have studied. Now if you go to the friend ranking option, it does the same function like global ranking, but it only ranks you among your friends. Now the most important function that I'm going to discuss about is study log. It's awesome feature of this app. I love this feature very much. With this feature you will be able to upload your study logs, but you have to study a minimum of 2 hours in order to use this feature. It gives you 50 points after you upload your study logs. With these points that you get from this feature, you can claim premium on this app and can get all the premium benefits. So this feature is awesome here. You can see so many people are uploading study logs and they are participating. Now besides all these functions, you can see 3 options at the bottom. You can see here event, free points and you wind. So with the event option you can participate in different events on this app and then you can get points which you can use to redeem the premium later. Now the name 3 points says itself, I don't have to explain this. With this option you can get free points by watching ads. You just have to watch ads and the points will be automatically added. You get 10 points for watching one ad and you get maximum of 5 ads per day. So it can give you 50 points like this. So you can earn like 140 points per day with this app by uploading study logs and then watching ads. Okay, now let's discuss about the another tab, that is the first tab, that is called Flip Zone. If you tap on this, then it gives you 5 more tabs. You can see here, this is awesome app. There are so many functions you can use. So the first tab is the group tab. That means you can join on any other groups or you can search groups, you can create your own groups and share your ideas with other people or get something from them. So this is very awesome feature. You can study in groups. So if you go to the second tab here, that is the Flip Talk, then you get the feeds from the Flip users around the world. You can also post your photos, study ideas, motivations, inspiring quotes, etc. You can also add them to your friends list. So this is very awesome. Now if we go to the third tab, it gives you the same feature like the second tab, but it shows you only the feeds of your friends. The fourth tab is all about your private messages, friend ranking, and you can manage your friend list. You can add other friends, message them, talk with them. So this is just like and then we have the final tab, it's the profile tab. On this tab you can view your profile and you can make changes to your profile if you like. Now apart from all these functions, if you tap on the bell icon at the top right side, you can see here it gives you the notifications. So the notifications are listed here. So this app is awesome. You can add study goals, you can work on the goals, and you can see the ranking among your friends and also the global ranking. You can study with groups, you can also make friends, share ideas with them or also gain something from them. So this app is awesome. 10 out of 10. This app will surely make you a very awesome and studious person. Thanks for watching guys. That's the way how you use Flip Focus Timer for a study app and increase your efficiency and effectiveness in terms of study. So if you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and share it to your friends, relatives and everyone. I'll be coming up with new videos like this very soon. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, until next time, peace, bye.